Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Stage of the formal operations. So here this is from 11 years and to the end of the adolescence. So first is you have the abstract thinking. Abstract thinking means you can understand deeper meanings. So understanding deeper meanings and thinking becomes logical. Thinking is becoming logical, and there are concepts of the permutation and also the combination and the probability as well, and all this develops. Next is the development of the hypothetico-deducting thinking. So development of the hypo. So you have the hypothetico-deductive thinking. So here they make the hypothesis by observing things. So hypothesis is done by the observing the things. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.